Hello, my name is Victor Sevilla, and I am an electrical engineer here at MTI Instruments. Today I'm going to show you a brief operation of the Proforma 300iSA wafer characterization tool. The tool consists of two main pieces, which is the measurement stage and the data gathering stage, which is out of your field of view, and a computer. The measurement stage can measure different size wafers, and for that purpose we have different pins that you can locate depending on the size. The chucks can be changed depending also on the size of the wafer you're going to measure. The pin location is very critical to make sure that the machine is not going to try to measure a smaller wafer having a larger one on top. It could crush it. The first thing we're going to do, and this should be done roughly every day, is calibration. We're going to use a wafer of known thickness in order for the machine to calibrate itself. If you wish to have a calibration pattern, we can sell those to you. Place the wafer on the machine and start the software. It will start at this screen. Hit the scan button and then click connect. Enter the password you have set before, or if it's the first time using the equipment, enter the password wafer. Click login and select the size chuck you will be using. We have a 39mm chuck, so we will select that and click OK. Go to the calibrate button and enter the value for the known thickness of that wafer. Click on calibrate. The machine will now calibrate itself based on the thickness of that wafer. Now the machine is calibrated. Now we can start a run of different wafers to measure. In order to do that, click on New Lot and select the recipe file. Look for other videos on how to create recipes and compensation files. Enter a short name for the lot. And if you have further identifying information you would like to include, enter that in the comment section. You can also leave it blank. Click on Create Lot. And now the machine is ready to start the measurements. Click on Start Auto Test. And the measurement will start. Right now the machine is measuring the concentric side of the wafer, and later it will rechuck to measure the center. In many cases we try to set 10 runs for better repeatability results and to get averages and total thickness variation numbers. For the purpose of this video, we will only do it once. The machine has now completed the measurements, and now we can see the results. If we go to the data log, we can select the measurement that we just ran, and we can see the data displayed in different ways. This is basically the raw data, the raw numbers, where we can see the minimums, maximums, averages, and standard deviations. But if we go to the Wafer Plot tab, then we can see a graphical representation of the data that we just gathered. We can move it around using our slide bars to have a better idea of what the wafer looks like. There are several other things that we can do with this software, but this is the most representative. If you have further questions or would like to watch other videos, please look at our website.